Hey everyone, 100 Things Project number 10. I'm going to tell you, this is getting harder to stick with. Okay, I made some cards out of a couple of sheets of paper. And what I would do is, I may have to cut these down some. I'm trying to keep the integrity. This was the size it was in the paper pad. So I was trying to keep that, but I'm not sure if it'll fit even doing it this way onto a page, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it. And then I did and these are just bases. I won't decorate them until I get ready to use them. A lot of these, this color and so forth, are going to go in the Grandma's Kitchen journal because I'm doing it vintage. So these can either be tags or journal cards. And I just cut up a couple pieces of the paper and rounded the corners. And when I'm ready to put them in there, I will come back and decorate them. And this is the Tim Holtz Industrial Pad. And this is the tags. I made some large tags. I haven't put a hole in them yet because I don't know how many I'll use on Grandma's journal. And I'm going to put a ruffle on those. And then I made some smaller cards to put in there. And I got some numbers in here. I punched out some numbers. I'm not happy with them, but oh well. I did some smaller tags to put into pockets and stuff. And I've got one. Oops. $34, and I used wallpaper to emboss, and I don't know if it's even showing, but it's like a little book plate. And I'm going to use up more wallpaper once I finish this Tim Holtz, but I wanted this for one of the bigger tags because it's kind of reminding me of wallpaper you found in Grandma's house. So I thought I would decorate one of the bigger tags and put some other stuff, matching colors on it. And this is number 10, guys. Number 10. I'll be so glad when I finish up this pad. I will not go right into the sunflower pad because I just don't think I do Tim Holtz again right now. I'm going to do the, kind of like a Jane Davenport pad. It's really pretty. I need something bright and colorful after all of this. And I haven't inked any of it because I don't know what I'll use it with. I'll ink it as I use it, and who knows, I may even come back and do some videos showing. I probably will have to get 100 things. Showing how they're being decorated for the particular thing they're going to be used for. So, yep, this is number 10, guys. I'm trying, I really am, but I am over Tim Holtz. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye.